Today I'm going to unbox the SMD Multimeter from the newly acquired Miniware company. While previously I've posted videos of the TS100 and MHP30 devices from this company on my channel. The device consists of two parts, the controls and the tweezers. Inside the box, there are two USB cables. One is for charging the tweezers part. The device's battery is located in the handles of the tweezers. The other USB cable is for updating the firmware of the controls. To activate the device, it needs to be rotated. It contains a gyroscope inside, so the screen rotates in the direction it is tilted. There are no buttons on it, just a touch-sensitive sensor on the top part. We can use this to navigate through the device's menus. With this device, we can measure the values of capacitors, diodes, resistors, and inductors, as well as voltages from 1 MV to 40 V, and frequencies from 10 Hz to 20 MHz. Of course, that's not all. The device also includes a signal generator.